Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Jira workflow schemes for consistent issue handling, full guide step by step clearly. To verify Jira workflow schemes for consistent issue handling, begin by logging into your Jira account. Navigate to the Jira dashboard. Select the Projects option from the menu. Choose the project for which you want to verify the workflow scheme. Click on the Project Settings option located at the bottom of the left sidebar. In the Project Settings menu, find and click on Workflows. Take note of the current workflow scheme applied to the project. Next, go to the Jira Administration section by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Issues. Under the Issues menu, find and click on Workflow Schemes in the left sidebar. Locate the workflow scheme that corresponds to the project you're investigating. Click on the workflow scheme name to view its details. Review the associated workflows to understand the transitions and statuses defined for each issue type. Evaluate whether the workflows meet your organization's requirements for issue handling. If any inconsistencies are identified, make a plan to address them. Consider whether any workflows need to be updated or if new workflows should be created. Provide feedback to relevant stakeholders if changes are necessary. Test any new or modified workflows in a staging environment before implementation. Communicate any updates to the team, ensuring everyone is aware of the changes. After implementing updates, continuously monitor the workflows for effectiveness. Make adjustments as needed to maintain consistent issue handling in Jira. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.